Ladies and gentlemen, there's a saying that truth has the habit of revealing itself. No matter how hard one tries to hide it or crush it, it emerges even more victorious. The vendetta case against an honest journalist and honest journalism has lost ground. 4 days ago, our colleague Bhawana Kishore, our video journalist Mrityunjay Kumar and their driver Parminder were arrested and thrown into jail by the Punjab government. While Bhavna was granted interim relief on Saturday, today the Punjab and Haryana High Court granted interim bail to Mrityunjay and Parminder, but not before giving a rap on the knuckles to the government of Bhagwant Mann. In a strongly worded observation, the High Court called out the illegal detention. That's right. That is the phraseology used by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Illegal detention done by the Punjab police and the Punjab government. Calling the arrest of the video journalist and driver unfair, the court said that the Punjab cops even failed to convince the court why the duo had been arrested. It highlighted how there was an attempt to ring-fence our crew because the cops didn't even tell the camera person and driver that they can secure bail by furnishing a surety. The court also questioned the judicial magistrate for failing to release the driver and video journalist earlier on bail. The singeing observations forced the state government's lawyer to admit that both our VJ and the driver should never have been jailed since they had no role in the case. There was nothing made out against the video journalist except getting into an argument with the complainant. All that the driver was accused of was rash driving. The lawyer defending Times Network says that it only proves that the Punjab cops are at fault. Listen in.
This is what the court has observed in the detailed order, which is yet to come, that the investigating officer and the two judicial officers have acted in a mechanical manner, and their custody should not have been there, and they should have been given the opportunity to furnish the bail bond once the offences were bailable. So this is a larger question which the court has observed.
Now this has armed the Aam Aadmi Party's political opponents. The BJP has alleged that the AAP is trying to fix those who are exposing the party, because remember, these arrests took place on the back of a series of exposés done by the Times Network as a part of Operation Sheesh Mahal that completely exposed the 45 crore splurge done by the Delhi Chief Minister on his Sheesh Mahal.
So much for Mr. Kejriwal and the tall promises and the high moral ground that he and his government and his party has been taken. He's building a huge mansion for himself at the cost of some 45 crores during a COVID time, importing marble, everything and all that. And when he made a promise, I will not stay in any big bungalow, his own former colleagues are castigating him. So much for being Anna Hazareji's, calling him his guru and talking of these ideals. And when the media exposes it, he intimidates them by arresting the Times Now correspondent driver, and no bail given on a bailable offence. This really takes the Punjab police reputation to a new low.
Now the woman who stood brave in the face of it all revealed how the crew was only targeted because Times Network ran Operation Sheesh Mahal, so much so that the station house officer, the SHO, told Bhavna in as many words that we should stop running stories on Operation Sheesh Mahal and Arvind Kejriwal. Bhavna, in her own words, also said that the SHO told her that there was pressure from the top to act against the Times Network crew.